લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે એક્સરસાઇઝ 2.1 કમ્પ્લીટ કરી. ત્યાર પછી એને રિલેટેડ 2.2 માટે થોડી ફોર્મ્યુલાને આપણે જોઈએ. રેસિપ્રોકલ રિલેશન है cosec इनवर्स x इक्वल्स टू sin इनवर्स 1/x. x is a modulus x is a greater than or equals to 1. Same related sec inverse x equals to cos inverse 1/x. Same modulus x is a greater than or equals to 1. Now cot inverse x equals to tan inverse 1/x, where x is a greater than 0. And if x is a less than 0, then answer pi plus tan inverse 1/x. Cot inverse ना two relation है यहाँ. tan inverse 1/x, where x is a greater than 0 and x is less than 0, then pi plus tan inverse 1/x. Now same relation sin inverse x equals to cosec inverse 1/x, where x is belongs to -1 to 1 -0. Similarly cos inverse x equals to sec inverse 1/x. X is also belongs to -1 to 1 -0. Now tan inverse x equals to cot inverse 1/x, where x is greater than 0. And also cot inverse 1/x minus pi, where x is less than 0. यहाँ भी tan inverse x two relation house x greater than 0 and x less than 0. Now is an important formula for sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2, and where x is belongs to -1 to 1. Otherwise modulus x is less than or equals to 1. Is an important formula. Similarly sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is also pi by 2, and here modulus x is greater than or equals to 1. આ રેન્જ જે છે એ ખાસ એક્સની તમને યાદ હોવી જોઈએ તો જ આ ફોર્મ્યુલા એપ્લાય થાય. મતલબ એક્સ -1 to 1, બિટવીન -1 to 1, તો સાઇન ઇનવર્સ એક્સ પ્લસ કોસ ઇનવર્સ એક્સ ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ પાઈ બાય 2. સેમ રિલેશન sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equals to pi by 2, where x is modulus x is greater than or equals to 1. मतलब था x is greater than or equals to 1 or x is less than or equals to -1. And now last tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to also pi by 2, and where x is belongs to r. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. X is belongs to r. Now next topic is also important formula. If x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy if xy is less than 1. ક્યારે એપ્લાય થશે તો x અને y નું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન લેસ ધેન 1, then formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Similarly tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to pi plus tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy if xy is greater than 1. x ને y નું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન greater than 1, then ફોર્મ્યુલામાં તમારે pi plus. Now third one, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to pi by 2 if xy equals to 1. x ને y નું મલ્ટિપ્લિકેશન 1, then tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals to pi by 2. Last one, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, then tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. This is also important formula. Now interrelation between inverse function. अभी इम्पोर्टન્ટ है. डायरेक्टली कोई भी इक्वेशन में कन्वर्ट करવું है sin inverse x equals to cos inverse square root 1 minus x square equals to tan inverse x divided by square root 1 minus x square, where x is a 0 to 1. Similarly, cos inverse x equals to sin inverse square root 1 minus x square and tan inverse square root 1 minus x square divided by x. And x is also between 0 to 1. And now last, tan inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 divided by square root 1 plus x square and sin inverse x divided by square root 1 plus x square. Here x is a greater than 0. Now some also important rule for tan inverse. 2 tan inverse x equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, and modulus x is a less than or equals to 1. Now 2 tan inverse x equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. X is a greater than or equals to 0. And last, 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. X is a minus 1 to 1. Is also important 3 formula. Differentiation માં બી આનો યુઝ આવે. Directly તમે sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square, where x is a greater than or equals to 1, તો તમે apply કરી શકો 2 tan inverse x. Same greater than or equals to 0, તો 2 tan inverse x मतलब cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. And last, x between minus 1 to 1, then 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. તો સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરની અંદર આટલી ફોર્મ્યુલા છે, બાકીના જે છે બધા જ ફોર્મ્યુલાની અંદર આવી ગયા છે. આને રિલેટેડ સમ આપણે હવે કરવાના છે. Now also some basic formula in trigonometric function. Sin 3 theta equals to 3 sin minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta equals to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. And tan 3 theta equals to 3 tan minus 4 tan cube, 3 tan minus 4 tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. And also relation between sin 2 theta and cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Now exercise 2.2. First question है, prove that 3 sin inverse x equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube, where x is belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. Now here LHS RHS equals to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. Now let x equals to sin theta. Idea હોવો જોઈએ તમને sin inverse નો રિલેશન, sin ની ફોર્મ્યુલા 3 sin minus 4 sin cube theta मतलब x equals to sin theta. So theta equals to sin inverse x, and theta is belongs to sin inverse no range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So putting a value 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So sin inverse, this is the formula of sin 3 theta. Theta is belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but check કરવું પડે તમારે 3 theta भी minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 માં है કે નહીં, તો જ sin inverse sin આન્સર 3 theta થાય. તો here given range x is belongs to minus 1 by 2 to 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 1 by 2. Then x मतलब sin theta, which value 1 by 2 sin pi by 6 and sin minus pi by 6. Sin is a first quadrant increasing function. So minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. And now 3 theta, then multiply by 3. So multiply by 3. So minus pi by 2 to 3 theta less than or equals to pi by 2. Multiplying by 3. So this is the range for minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So finally is equals to 3 theta. Sine inverse sine cut થઈ જાય then 3 theta and theta equals to sine inverse x. So equals to LHS. So prove that sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube up is equals to 3 sine inverse x. Now same similarly question આપેલો question 2. Same in a related question as second question. એમાં બી એ જ કન્સેપ્ટ આપેલો છે તમને સેકન્ડ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં. ક્વેશ્ચન 2, here also RHS equals to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x and x is belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. So here let x equals to cos theta. So theta equals to cos inverse x and theta is belongs to 0 to pi. Cos inverse no range. So cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So cos inverse cos 3 theta. And here x is belongs to 1 by 2 to 1. So x matlab cos theta, 1 matlab cos 0 and 1 by 2 cos pi by 3. Cos is a decreasing function for first quadrant. So 0 to pi by 3, not pi by 3 to 0. So 0 to pi by 3. Y is a decreasing function. And now multiply by 3. Multiplying by 3. So 0 into 3, 0. 3 into theta, 3 theta. Pi by 3 into 3, so pi. So is also belongs to 0 to pi. So cos inverse cos 3 theta, answer there 3 theta. Then 3 cos inverse x equals to LHS. Prove that 3 cos inverse x equals to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Now question number 3. LHS equals to tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. So here x equals to 2 by 11 and y equals to 7 by 24. So xy 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. xy is a less than 1. 14 by 11 into 24. So 7 divided by 132 is a less than 1. So tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy formula. xy, if xy is less than 1, then tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus. So here x equals to 2 by 11, 7 by 24, 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. So tan inverse 11 into 24 આપણે LCM આપી દે 11 into 24. 24 to the 48 and 11 into 7 77 divide by 11 into 24 minus 14 divided by 11 into 24. So 11 into 24 cut થઈ જાય then tan inverse 8 plus 7 15, 4 plus 7 11, 12, 125 divided by 11 into 24, 264. So tan inverse 125 divided by 250 and 125 divided by 250. So tan inverse 1 by 2 equals to RHS. Now same similarly question number 4. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equals to tan inverse 31 by 70. So here LHS equals to 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. If x is a minus 1 to 1, then 2 tan inverse x equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So here x equals to 1 by 2. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 equals to tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 square 1 by 4. So 2 to cut, then tan inverse 1 divided by 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. So tan inverse 4/3. So 2 tan inverse 1/2 ની વેલ્યુ તમે પુટઅપ કરી શકો છો. tan inverse 4/3 plus tan inverse 1/7. Now here x equals to 4/3 and y equals to 1/7. So xy equals to 4/3 into 1/7. So 4/21 is less than 1. So apply formula tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So tan inverse 4/3 plus 1/7 upon 1 minus 4/3 into 1/7. Now LCM tan inverse 28 plus 3 divided by 21 and divide by 7 3s are 21 minus 4 divided by 21. So 21 cut, then tan inverse 31 divided by 17 equals to RHS. 31 divided by 17. Now write the following function in the simple form. So question number 5, simple form માં convert કરવાનું હોય. Then tan inverse square root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x. X is not equals to 0. So here also let us x equals to tan theta. આઈડિયા આવો જોઈએ 1 plus x square मतलब 1 plus tan square એક જ ફોર્મ્યુલા બને. So x equals to tan theta. Theta is belongs to open interval minus pi/2 to pi/2 minus 0. Why minus 0? So x is not equals to 0. So theta is not equals to 0. So minus pi/2 to pi/2 minus 0. Put up value tan inverse square root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So tan inverse sec square theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. So tan inverse sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Now converting sin cos. So tan inverse 1 by cos theta minus 1 divided by sin divided by cos theta. So tan inverse LCM 1 minus cos theta, cos cut થઈ જાય and then divided by sin theta. So tan inverse 1 minus cos theta equals to 2 sin square theta by 2 and sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 cut થઈ જાય, sin cut, then tan inverse tan theta by 2. Now here theta is belongs to minus pi/2 to pi/2 minus 0. So theta by 2 is belongs to minus pi/4 to pi/2 divided by 2 minus 0. So is a range of tan is a subset of minus pi/2 to pi/2. So tan inverse tan cut થઈ જાય then equals to theta by 2 and 1/2 theta equals to tan inverse x. Is a simple form. So finally answer 1/2 tan inverse x. Now similarly question number 6. Tan inverse 1 divided by square root x square minus 1 modulus x is greater than 1. So here x equals to sec theta. Why? Sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. So theta equals to sec inverse x and theta is belongs to 0 to pi minus pi/2. So here x is greater than 1. So sec theta is greater than 1 and sec is greater than 1. Then tan theta is greater than 0. So put up value tan inverse 1 divided by tan square theta Now question number 6, tan inverse 1 divided by square root x square minus 1 where modulus x is greater than 1. So here x equals to sec theta. So theta equals to sec inverse x and theta is belongs to 0 to pi minus pi/2. Yes, sec square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta, and modulus x greater than 1 matlab x is a greater than 1, so sec theta is a greater than 1. Then sec is a greater than 1, so tan theta is always greater than 0. Why? So tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. So theta is a belongs to 0 to pi by 2. So tan inverse 1 divided by sec square theta minus 1. So tan inverse 1 divided by square root tan square theta. So tan inverse 1 divided by tan theta, and then 1 by tan is a cot theta. So tan inverse 10 pi by 2 minus theta. So theta is a belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Belongs to 0 to pi by 2. Matlab 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Now minus the multiply, then minus pi by 2 minus theta less than 0. Then pi by 2 add. So pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus theta. Then 0 plus pi by 2 pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2. So is a range for tan inverse. So pi by 2 minus theta, and theta equals to sec inverse x. So finally answer pi by 2 minus sec inverse x. Now question number 7, tan inverse square root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x, where x is a 0 to pi. So this is the formula for tan square x by 2 directly, 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. So tan inverse modulus of tan x by 2, and here condition 0 less than x less than pi. So divide by 2, so 0 divided by 2 0, x divided by 2 equals to pi by 2. Now so mod of tan x by 2 equals to tan x by 2. First quadrant tan is a positive, so equals to tan x by 2. So tan inverse tan x by 2, and is also 0 to pi by 2 is a subset of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So x by 2. Now question number 8. Here tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x, and here condition minus pi by 4 less than x less than 3 pi by 4. Now here only difference for plus and minus. So dividing by numerator and denominator by cos x not equals to 0. So tan inverse 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. So now 1 मतलब put up करो tan pi by 4 minus tan x divide by 1 plus tan into 1 apply करिए, so also tan pi by 4 into tan x, and this is the formula for tan alpha minus beta. So tan inverse 10 pi by 4 minus x, this is the tan alpha minus beta, tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta, and here x is a minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Now first multiplying minus, then minus 3 pi by 4 minus x, then pi by 4, then pi by 4 add, so pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 minus x, and pi by 4 plus pi by 4. So here minus 2 pi by 2 minus pi by 2 less than pi by 4 minus x less than pi by 2. So is a subset of tan inverse range. So finally answer minus pi by 4 minus x. Now question number 9. Tan inverse x divided by s square minus x square, and modulus x is a less than a. So here x equals to a sin theta. So x by a equals to sin theta. So theta equals to sin inverse x by a, and theta is belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now put up value. Tan inverse a sin theta divided by square root a square minus a square sin square theta. So a sin theta divided by a common આવી જાય square root, then 1 minus sin square theta, a cut થઈ જાય, then tan inverse sin theta divided by square root cos square theta. So tan inverse sin divided by cos, so tan inverse tan theta. Now range here x is a minus a to a, between minus a to a. Now a થી divide कर दियो, then minus 1 x by a less than 1. Now x by a मतलब put up करिए guys sin theta. Now 1 which value sin pi by 2, and minus 1 minus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 less than theta less than pi by 2 is a range for tan inverse. So finally equals to tan inverse tan theta equals to theta, and theta equals to sin inverse x by a. And now last question number 10. Question number 10. Here LHS equals to tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a into x square. And here a is greater than 0 and minus a by root 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to a by root 3. Now here x equals to a tan theta. So tan theta equals to x by a, and theta equals to tan inverse x by a, and theta is belongs to upon interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Now tan inverse x ni value put up karo 3a square into a tan theta minus a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a into a square tan square theta. So tan inverse a cube common, then 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta, same divided by a cube common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta, a cube cut થઈ જાય, then tan inverse 3 tan minus tan cube upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta, and this is the formula for tan 3 theta. And now condition here, minus a by root 3 less than or equals to x less than or equals to a by root 3. First of all divide by a, so minus 1 by root 3 x by a plus 1 by root 3. X by a equals to tan theta, 1 by root 3 10 pi by 6 minus 1 by root 3 10 minus pi by 6. So minus pi by 6 less than or equals to theta less than or equals to pi by 6. And now multiplying 3, so minus pi by 2 less than or equals to 3 theta less than or equals to pi by 2. So the range for tan inverse, so finally 3 theta, and theta equals to tan inverse x by a. Theta equals to tan inverse x by a.